All right, guys, just going to give you guys a quick update. Yo, Slobo. If you guys can hear and see me, just type in the chat. Be like, yo, I can hear and see you, Tony. Let me know if you guys can hear and see me quickly. I'm not going to be on too long. Hello from Big Island. What's going on, Big Island? Okay. Tony, I'm going to paint my work van with Rust-Oleum cans. Don't want to spend money on a real paint job. Any advice for test results? Dang, man. If I were you, I would save a little cash and get some enamel and use some automotive paint on it, man. You know, like Rust-Oleum kind of sucks, especially spray can. It's 1K. Man, I would hate to see you put such a crap paint on. But if you're going to be doing that, then just make sure you're sanded down, you're primed up, and you're ready to shoot. So everything's tacked down and cleaned up. You know, if you haven't got your free training at Learn Auto Body, at least follow the protocol of a good prep job at learnautobodyandpaint.com. and get it done. You know what I mean? What's up, Oklahoma? What's up, Big Island? We stay fly. I'm just gonna be on for like 5 minutes. I'm in the middle of sanding right now, like really ghetto style. So we are people want to see me paint this thing like at home, without a booth. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I have access to a spray booth in town. We can do it, but this is my setup right here. Okay, I don't want to get overspray all over in my 2-car garage there. So I'm like, screw it. I moved my tent. I had my excavator stored in this one back there, but I moved it. I'm going to keep it just like this. 2 sides on it, 2 sides open. It's pretty tight, actually, to hit the roof. It's a little tight in there. I'm going to be a little scrunched up, squeezed up. What I will do is take the air out of the tires to give me another 2 inches or so of clearance. And we're going to whack the roof one day and then do the body the other day, wait 2 days, let it dry, do the body. And then I'll mask up, do the black 2-tone because it's going to be black and white. Bumpers are going to be black. This line here, the body line is going to be black. So we used the combination of 240 grit, and the 320 grit sandpaper. 240 to kind of speed up the process of getting the orange peel off when you're sanding, and I always talk about this, when you're sanding, you want to sand flat. So while you're sanding, I didn't get this top rail part yet. I'm going to be doing this as soon as I get off with you guys up in here and in this section here and the rocker panel a little bit on that side. But, when you're sanding, you want to make sure you take off this orange peel looking paint texture that looks like this. Okay. And this is what you want to take off. You want to make it look flat like that, meaning you cut off the paint texture that was on this. This is a single stage here. Okay. We want to get it flat as possible. And then we could paint on top of it. Because if you could actually paint over this the way it is, but you're painting over texture. And then every paint job has a paint texture to it. Okay, it's orange peel or maybe not that bad or dry looking, sandy. Okay, depending on how you paint. But if you paint over this and you have orange peel, it's like double orange peel, right? You don't want that. You want to at least have a fresh start. Sorry, my daughter, she's screaming. But always get it down flat, then start painting. Hopefully, that's a really good trick. Okay, not a trick, a tip. It's a good tip. Always make sure you're sanded flat. Okay, so I 240 got everything flat. I'm just going over everything with a 320. Do I have 320 or 360? What am I working with? It doesn't matter. If you're doing single stage, it's paint's so thick. You could paint over 360, 380, 320. I'm using 320. Kovacs is a very good paint brand, not paint brand, sandpaper brand. Okay, so make sure you're using a decent sandpaper. Some sandpapers, you're not going to get a consistent scratch mark. Okay, so use a Eagle is good. Kovacs I've been using for years and years, decades actually. And it's a good paint. It's a good, I keep saying paint. It's a good sandpaper brand. Okay. Bumpers are all sanded. I cleaned up all the raw plastic with lacquer thinner. Okay. We're going to probably, so when painting over raw plastic, you could prime it. Okay. Or you could adhesion promote it, prime it, and then put your paint on top of it. And I actually have been recording tricks and tips of this whole process here for the VIP guys, but you guys are going to get detailed videos of this, so make sure you sign up. There's a link down below somewhere where you can sign up to this paint project. It's called the Good Van Project. So learnallaboutpaint.com/goodvan. I'm going to be giving this training away for free. Now it looks super ghetto, but don't forget that I've been painting for over 20 years, probably 25 years now. Okay, painted my first car at 15. I'm gonna be 40 this year, so I've been doing this a while. Not every day, but have a lot of experience. Okay, and it's kind of like my dad used to say: the paint jobs that you care least about come out the best. You know, so when you don't care, paint jobs come out great. When you care and the job has to come out really, really good, and you're worried about it, you're stressing about it, it's a customer job, then you screw up. So I really don't give a crap about this van. You know, it's a quick paint job. It's a work van. We're going to put it, but it's going to come out nice. You guys are going to be shocked. It's going to come out nice. I'm not going to run it. It's going to be super glossy. I'm going to show you how it's done. You're going to be able to get the step-by-step details on how to do this at your own home if you want. So you can have the confidence to move forward. So hopefully that helps, guys. While we're on, we had some body work, right? It's a couple of Bondo body filler spots, some body work. I'm going to actually finish sanding right now and prime, get everything primed up. I want to have everything ready to paint because I want to paint the roof tomorrow. Got a big rust hole here, all primed up. We're going to be blacking out the whole front grille. Bumper is going to be all black, so it's going to be all black up here. I might put some striping on the hood just to like boss it out, you know, to kind of like, it's going to be black and white. So, you know, it's going to be cool. Whatever we do, I think it's going to look pretty. It's going to look better than it does, you know. So if you guys want to learn more, including, you know, how to paint in a spray booth and all that, we have all these videos at learnallaboutpaint.com in the VIP members area. So check that out. Any questions? I'm going to be on for like a few minutes. I'll take a couple questions now before I get back to work. Yeah, we are under a tent here, and I'm going to be painting under this thing. No joke. Tomorrow. I'll be whacking out the roof of this project. I sanded the roof yesterday. Let's show you the roof quick. Okay, all sanded down. All sanded down. I'm going to take it out and wash it, rinse it, take all the powder off after I prime. And when I'm done with sanding today, I plan to have it finished. I only have about maybe an hour's of sanding left. And then mix up some primer, prime all these body filler spots, and pull it out and wash it down, okay? Water is not going to hurt primer. It's a bunch of BS. Another one is mixing body filler on cardboard. That's like so BS. It ain't funny. Oh, my God. Can I scuff and paint plastic grill? Absolutely, you can. We're doing that here. We got plastic bumper protectors, whatever you want to call this part of the bumper. Okay, we're going to be scuffing this very, very lightly. I just washed it down with lacquer thinner, believe it or not, front lip and the bottom. We're going to scuff it. You can throw a little bit of adhesion promoter on it if you want, and from an aerosol can called Bulldog, and then you could prime that and then paint it, or you could just paint it right over Bulldog. Okay, you can paint right over a Bulldog. Let me show you what that stuff looks like right here. I don't want to rush you guys, but I gotta get back to sanding. Where is my Bulldog? Right there. Bulldog adhesion promoter. Right there. All right. That's pretty much it. Any other last Q&A, guys? If not, I'm going to head out. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button before you leave. I got to mix up some primer soon. Right here. Donald Johnson, got you, buddy. I got you. Yes, I will be priming with my X27, Adam. And can I prime over etching primer? Absolutely. I would use an epoxy primer versus an etching primer. Epoxy is a better primer than etching, even if you're going over metal and stuff. All right, what's up, Rich Reese? How you doing? All right, guys, it's 2 p.m. here, starting to get hot. I'm pretty freaking hot right now in this overall jumpsuit. Look at it. It's like a big, a paint suit. A little hot, but I got to get back to sanding. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to drop the link again to Learn Auto Body. If you guys are looking for good spray guns, check out Zula.com. Comes with a free gun, bud. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to tune in to show you what I'm doing. Hopefully, I don't see why not. I should be painting the roof tomorrow. We are using a single stage white right here. All right, guys. Any last question or are we good? Because I'm going to head out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Tony here from Paradise Garage and Learn Auto Body. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day. Cheers.